share the money na ba our research media so ye den yakopon ase se enen so odi adom ye bre se nam so tube owura na campus obi a nese say our research no etu Jumedi ya bofo ne perfect in body therapy Jadesco Campaign Limited afis summit retina if you Dr. Mensa so ye our research bam gel na afi on cement na ni na echi no mame esiwa de pa YouTube program say additional dey bebre ho ko hwe na emo ase so behwe na ma ense enfata sam ye WhatsApp line no so ye 0207862780 afi your website ye www.sidwadepa.org which na be akasantentem so no so ye 0243121238 is na wetini ene ya bonkomo said ye esefata na afi we dia aware so Sidwadepa Foundation yakoma so ade no eye ba ko 2018 ye promote girl child education san say when you defo bit na ase na na sem na so otete oba watete o memo ni nyina I don't see ye ba mo kunu na ase na nanu madaroma ba bi e beto afa bia no aya amo ye feso na le de ya ko madaroma ye ne lawyer can sign name Asante no and associates na ebebo enkomo afa girl child comedy no nemo emrano afem edie ebibi success so emre bi ho a ebo girl child ko bayana eno na oba bibie ede atreye me am be small no because was small ko say na ko program de de mama esiwa adepa eno ti me ma lawyer akwa ne de no answer am so ne na yesu bi lawyer mo akwa ba
ya me ne
mi hu wa che bie
na kra eja ejuma na ho
eno ame do si
wende
eno de ya chukura eno ti eja no me so se nya me ada ma da bia me hu bia na ye ogologo ende mi se e free message ana ogolo bibia ni
obolo de me to obolo ye obolo
da we ye obolo no
e me yare ni wo na
we ye no obolo asika wo me sha wo bibia wo ntia
ya da da ya se
wada roma me jai e de ama o se
yo ene the first kwanya so ati ahwefo ne atiefo nyina na sane o si kana mrade ye wo mra bibre ho ai po mo fra nyina ho ban na o ka se girl child se ya shede ji girl child na si ho no wono nkoa wo no nkoa mra bia ni ho sabat ye wo mra ba ko e wo mra mu a wo hwe nipa na wo kan ho asem na wo kan wo ba asem
na o mo obedi na so wo kan wo asem
ebi wo nso a wo shada body say female oba na say child enti na say we ni hia ne say ye behwe say abofra kra wone hwan e wo mra mu ana sa kra ne hwan wo mra mu because say ne o kan no child who say girl child do but I'm really defining who a child is. Into what Children's Act 1998 now. Sa Act no section 1 will define who a child is. Now I must show you there was some do from them now so fully emerald and this the woman team na make a canning in wa.
Now they need to put it
we distribute na make a canning in wa. Na ma share na oba ye no one feeling is that is say you wish ya me kwan so ba bi na me kire no bi tu oba share mu dia o say me do come dem nti wo hwe the Children's Act na me body na ye no 1998 and the short code no and the short title no Act 560
at 560
okay mra e wo ho bo emofra ahoban
ene de ansha dan ka se oba na se be ma ne mu memofra
emofra nyina unti no wo hweta no se Children's Act mofra nyina anti emra no anso akasa no e wo ne nyina so se ye be ye samra no 1992 Constitution of Ghana wo hwe article 28 eno na ma parliament ehun kwan se won hihye emra efa emofra enyina ho na won kire ne wo se ekosa amra no nti me best start free sa article 28 no na mama the introduction bi kakra ansa na me de wakogura emra nkasa parliament na aisha efa emofra nti article 1992 constitution ene kura me no Ghana constitution no nti article 28 na was say Article 28 clause 1 or say Parliament shall enact such laws as are necessary to ensure that A, every child has the right to the same measure of special care, assistance and maintenance as is necessary for its development from its natural parents, except where those parents have effectively surrendered their rights and responsibilities in respect of the child in accordance with law. Sa constitution we map your parliament amrehye badwefo no kwan so wo munye emra efa amofra ho efa wo bible ho efa wo fa hudie ho efa wo hwa ye hwe wo ho so wo ne na wofo anase wo bi mpo ehwe na so mo ye sa amra ni nyina afa ho so age se awofo na wo ma wo abofra no won ade abofra na koma aban children's home bi say yentumi hwe abofra no social welfare ama say ye abofra de ye means ay de be hwe no anase mpo bi wa wo hwe kra yade edi won munya agya no 77 preduasa e bia na adwene mu ka no oba no so na adwene mu ka no nti wo gya abofra ma wo mo ntumi hwe tina sa busua no bia so ye se wo be fa ahwa on sa amofra no ye wo ba bia ye de wo mo ko wo so mo then tisa wo ba wo ne oba na tie no emra wo ho fa kwan a oso woni abofra ne te etena wo hwe article 28 ya mekan ya edoso bebre yemfa ne say clause 1 paragraph B or say every child whether or not born in wedlock shall be entitled to reasonable provision out of the estate of his parents. Say go how ware no akọ hwem pena wo baby no obi akọ ono obi kowo asa akra no was born out of wedlock say o wa wade no akọ wo akra no won chen emra ne kire say emra parliament be hye no o mo hye say sakra ya wo na bonten ya wo na wade mu kra ampo no na wofo na japade no o wo chefa ewo nti say will na wo ya sa abofra no e wo say wo ma no bibi free wa japade a wanya ni mu
so na me fa se bia me meti we me ma me de me ko ware me papa enye papa ne na wo me enye ne biological father it is a watch na japade na so wo ye ne will ama ne biological children na o de me be ka ho amra ne se o so watch children
no de who say o ka no se o ma me de o ne papa ko ba ne ma me na japade de wo chefa wo ba step father ne de en hye bia ni wonye o ne wo abofra no but someone adopted abofra ne dia someone adopted abofra no se bia be ma ne ekunu ne be ma adopt akara na mumie ni nyama japade abofra no e chefa wo na me mpese ye beko ha no bebre because sansem we e wo ha nyina no e wo children's act mu nti me mpese wo nya idea say children's act no e wo nyina so e wo constitution mu now mamu ohun emra children's act no ejina so a je se emra emra fa emofra bible nti so wo hwe sa children act na section 1 wo chere kwani abofra nti section 1 wo say for purposes of this act a child is a person below the age of 18 years nti obi biara nimfie a we nipa nimfie no endru 18 no wa ya abofra children's act na sani pa na ya abofra nti say from 0 or from 1 to 17 years wa ya abofra so nti sa emra no so no koso e kire amofra no wo mo fa hodie kwa ye mfa so entiti won anoma bia enyi se ye kire won what you say e kan nyina apart from such children's act we no so kra ampo no ye wo mra ahodo wo ba esabo amofra ho ban so sani ya wo kan get child no and also specifically no esa eye den ebo ema anase mo from ye ema ho ban ebi ne criminal code act 29 1960 and yes amra so na oko samra no mu a specifically open ye ebo ema ho ban Oko section 69A of the Criminal Code 1960. Emre wo ho a kire se ade bi wo ho a wo ya woni aban benya obenya aban amane samra no eno ho asem na meke. Oko section 69A I was say whoever excises, infibulates or otherwise mutilates the whole or any part of the labia minora, labia majora, and the clitoris of another person commits an offense and shall be guilty of a second-degree felony and liable on conviction to imprisonment of not less than 3 years. Some way kasa about female circumcision. Now, when you circumcise in terms of the clitoris and blah blah blah. So what you say, now normally no oba pani a wanyini a wasi ne pempen so wuntimi nkwakye say ukotwa ne saa no ma no mofra ye wo mofra mu ne ye won saa enti emra no kasetia saa suna ye dey di kire ama a ebi ye emofra so a che se wa kire say wo ye saa de no krampo a asotwen den eda ho ema so enye no nkwa woko section 97 of the same criminal code now, specifically let's say 97 to 98. Okasa about rape. Mlano so kire say wo a wone oba ni fie no eye be say 16 anasa pro 16 ebeda say wo be fa no na one mapini no sai suna wada ntino eye rape enti na to say woni abofra be say 16 years koda woni abofra be say 17 years koda na say wa makwan na no ne da wato no na eye rape amra no ni wudi se ne wo say de enti
na say opene so so a say ye kasa abofra ye mfa from 0 to 18 na say they care about rape say opene so there one opene so say rape opene so say opene so so you are opene so when 18 years
yes but
rape.
You see the problem with our law is say we share Lord Children's Act no more o say aware say nipa so awade emre no ade so wadi 18 ehoko awade o won ka say obi asoso ona obi beda no ade say 18 o say awade and I share rape no so definition o say wona obi ba a wadi 16 anas ebro 16 oko beda emre a wa ma opinion which means say oba wadi 16 anas 17 o ma opinion na wona ne da nye bone onto no na that's say one opinion na ye rape no etina che say abayo anasa abofra oba wadi 17 16 no otimi no obi otimi no obi da oni be ma da amani ye anu nye rape. But there's another aspect of the law which is defilement. Abena ba kon so ebo emofra ho ban ebo oba so ho ban defilement. Defilement ne say woni abofra oya less than 16 years. That means from 15 downwards. Beda said ye kwan a nyame ahyehyese ye de ema na bema eda no kwan so. Ana say woni ne beda ekwan a enye normal kwan a ye ne nipa eda ne bi. Sabe period say bia wafa nipa da to. So wafa na num wafa na parts bia enye ayo natural canal knowledge. So enti say woni abofra ni fie no ye less than 16 years koda sa kwan no so a it is sao eno no ne friend defilement. No defilement na mfa ho say oba ana bema etimi oba chi bema so what you say hence is a public kofa abamu a bia o 15 years or below the toa a defilement sans na kofa oba wadi 15 years and below say either so afa no kwan ne oba da so kra na anu so ye defilement. So emra ne kire say defilement no e do betum not less than 7 years maximum of 25 years. So, and a rape no so you do betum not less than 5 years, maximum of what? 25 years. So, until no protection there, if you are homa and mofrapa. And then,
Yanni, I should form one commander, and so for Madame, I was so if you said, we had a police short to say, and woman let that so no, and as a good son, a kid to the end, and that times on us were banner. A wood to Jim Rennie Yanaja, waiting your baby, my son and the memory actually. Then say your mamma and a chicken bench, I wish you made and some Abinia Limini and not to say, why would you be our very fast and a radio at Munity when you're part. For people go to Jim Chubaba and it's now, never be church, now also TB, never Nessia, never not Etimia wow. Not lawyer can't say me the Lydia Mamma, give me a number of Melbourne Finamano. And interest say, who was 16 years in the Chenchenia, and I said, baby, I would do no as a woman, may know Papa now will be Piao. And baby, I would do, I was so far away, was so yes, and for whom Uncle Shim. Now, but I see when it's so. It's in your bum dash and karma at the amount. You see, a promote girl child if you say, something to a bar, what it will mean in hands. If you are man, no more pain or over. So, person, you teach you that or so was crowd. Now, show we number and some year can also be a year, man. Now, such a be, and now, there, Japanese is one, maybe out in the granny, and it was she'll be air to swap. That's a dear lawyer came. Then you buy a clock, you get also information, and then the Akabi. And we can't say for me anymore. You won't hear piano. We free and say WhatsApp. Say what they call it. What they friend is saying. We just have to be a casting in our opinion. That the bit me for sense. Yes, you made the bomb to her. And the for my Ghana have baby and the bit me bank. We are safe for them na. It's me abwa and ma teach you. And it's no challenge. So sad. From my neck challenge. Mama said, "You are both for the purpose and body therapy." Just Good Company Limited. Some create me feel Dr. Mensa, as you hear a brace and women and seminar. But that romantic and meeting with you, ready, bro, lawyer, Bakeka and Rano, Bibri, so now the idea. Abu me go to you. Young share and say, you who your man, teach you, your mamma, Bibri, big grandpa, 7 years, I mean, how many and customer up to 16, 17, wow, baby, who said, one in number traffic has go around your school town. Na ebi mu tuton nsuo ne whatever be wo kwampa na baby a wote no na eya reposem na emra kese we nyina wo ho ana nso sa maguni ya na sa nketesi nyina ne na montentwa so a awa blank wo se most of them na say dodo na wo classroom ne mponya classroom ko wo baby a wo gentete no dia bo mbra da chi na bisasa so adentia. You
see nan kampese me de ofa se ankara nkasa krampo no se bia wo betomra no sanse na be kasa akra we watomra before me ba na ye wo kan okay na wo se wadru mpempensuo bi ni fie mpempensuo bi
kese nkola na so yetimi
yes etimi kasa akra yi wo de be se ma se mra ne kire se akra ni fie ye be se less than 12 years no ade bia obeye bia eye tomra no ye fa ne se entomra
because we are para
ojo apara nti another protection wo ma nkara no okay nti wo hwe
0 to 12
0 to 12 to 11
to 11
we are saying less than 12
okay
0 to 11 nti any child who is less than 12 years who engages in any criminal conduct is presumed not to have committed a crime at all and for that matter the child is completely innocent akara bese 12 years or the second wo yam sorry bese 11 years or the second wo yam na wu a wo kwa
sense we
only make capacity to commit that crime so like Amrafa said we say so disable we need nyansa say we disable akara bese 12 years so we are usika Amra no and
so fan say Palabe 11 years and now there's a 12 week plan
12 work there up to 17 no
but then free 9 to 11 yenchuko on ma
9 to 11 there onimu hwe committee
sika kesi bi plan wakofa emra na ni ndi
once emra na man say immunity no in law we will say immunity and protection no who the court send kura na judge no kura right from the one obetumi aka tell say my friend who to try akara no ye twa case no what must say and this all the court kura na say we even cry wonim cry na lawyer no wom na at the end of the day we be a friend now we a criminal case a drum pempe so a friend of submission of no case to answer of alle sad na e camera na de kai court no be twa asem mu sisia and ankara so yes ankara so no wo court a ye do wo mo koso wo mo to bone wo mo di bone and district court no juvenile justice
no free in fear saying ko asakola
I don't know sentence see from 12 up to the friend is said 17
okay
any charge
no see everybody go na court bi
ya be am court the dem and ya tie o masa if you are crowd na ba court ya ensure ya mo na handcuff ensure na handcuff
na intimacy we
ana na asem say ye die no ya mo ni dawuro emo bi nte campus aba TV so wa be say dia no tomra wo tomra timi chon
no ya na hwe ha ma me
ana babia sorry babia na wo ka say enkwara ya o mo ka pan so mo ton
mo ye ndwuma denden
ntia se so pe se me ko ho na na se o bi
ka na dia me kan ye he nya me se mfa se akwala bi o bi from 9 years to 17 what to say oye especially oba oye stubborn kakra oye ne hwie nye yie nti sa no ne ma me betimi ana se na wo fu betimi aso ne de na ba sa mo court ho no mo na e bi ya mama ne asotwe kakra bi ana se be ya e hu beto no so a never so betimi se sa se
my country say 9 to 11 there
I said
from 12 17. Going up to 17 oh we no there say wo mo kura no mo tumra sa ne de wo mo court na mostly no ye wo ne wo mo e di hu bi hye no mu se ben koye sa de ne bi on koye ba se bi you kura fi ma no papa ho akohye ba bi so hu akra so de akra sura de pa akra so ka no kura pa